Hello from Seoul. There are millions of garlic butter rice recipes out there, and they all say they're the best. But you know what? That's impossible because this is the one. Today, we're gonna be making garlic butter rice, one of the best side dishes of all time. Just like mashed potatoes, this buttery, flavorful rice pairs beautifully with any type of food from all around the world. Trust me, once you try, you will want it on your table every single day. I guarantee it. For this, you will need some rice, garlic, unsalted butter, and green onions. What? You don't have green onions? Then parsley can be a great option too. To be honest, parsley is the more common option. But come on, who do you think I am? I'm your green onion guy, right? So we're going with this bad boy. Don't worry about it. With this bad boy, it will taste way better. First, smash 6 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. When making this garlic butter rice, I highly recommend using fresh garlic. If you use pre-minced garlic in a tube or a jar, you will lose a lot of the pleasant garlic aroma compared to using fresh one. So even if it's a bit of a hassle, please use fresh garlic. Trust me, you won't regret it. Next, take 3 green onions and thinly slice them. As always, we're gonna saute the white parts to make an incredible aromatic garlic butter, and the green parts, we'll mix those into the fluffy rice to take it to the next level. So make sure to keep them separate, like this. Next, let's make the stock for our rice. In a small container with 2.5 cups of water, add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder and give it a good mix. Actually, you don't have to use this chicken bouillon powder. If you prefer using store-bought chicken stock, that's totally fine. I'm just using this because I think most of you guys have this as a pantry essential. Also, if you don't want chicken stock, vegetable stock works great too. So feel free to play around with it. As always, everything will be fantastic. Now, let's move on to the rice. Today, I'm gonna be using jasmine rice. Like most Koreans, I usually prefer short grain rice. But for this garlic butter rice, I think this guy works way better. So let's go with this bad boy today. Alright, take 2 cups of rice, rinse it about 3 times, and drain it well. Just so you know, for jasmine rice, you don't need to soak it beforehand. But if you want to use short grain rice, then make sure to soak it for about 30 minutes. Otherwise, you might end up with undercooked rice. Also, if you use short grain rice, 2 cups of stock will be enough, not 2.5. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com. So please visit here if you need a written recipe. Alright, everything is all set. Let's get cooking. To a large pot, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot and the butter is melted, add the chopped garlic, white parts of the green onions, and saute for about 1 minute or until they get nice and light golden. Once your kitchen is filled with the amazing aroma, add the drained rice and give it a stir for about 1 minute. Here, we want to make sure that our aromatic butter coats every single grain of rice. I know you just want to dump the stock and rice all at once and cook it. I totally understand this is a bit of a hassle. But trust me, this small detail will take your garlic butter rice to the next level. So please do not skip this step. What? You wanna know this kind of tip more and more? I'm so glad you brought that up because everything you need is in these 2 books. Trust me, with these bad boys, Simply Korean and Beyond Korean, you can cook 200 East Asian dishes like Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and even Korean fusion dishes like a pro. So don't forget to check them out. The link is in the description. Once the rice starts to turn translucent, pour in the stock and add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then keep stirring until it starts to boil. This step prevents the rice from sticking to the bottom. So please keep stirring until it boils. Otherwise, you might end up serving charcoal flavored rice. Alright, once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low and cover it with a lid. From now, all you need to do is just let it simmer for about 15 minutes. That's it! Unbelievably simple, right? There's no reason not to try this at home. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Let's remove it from the heat and let it steam for another 10 minutes. But make sure you don't open the lid. If you lift it now and let the steam escape, that perfectly cooked rice that you're looking for, yeah, that's gonna happen in your next life. Or maybe next life. I warned you, so if that happens, I'm totally not responsible. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. Let's open it up. Look at that. Doesn't it look absolutely beautiful? Now, let's add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, the remaining green onions, and give it a final mix. Like I said earlier, if you prefer using parsley instead of green onions, then go ahead and use it. That's totally fine. Alright, it's really done. How does it look? It looks absolutely gorgeous, right? You wanna know how it tastes? Alright, let's call our taste tester.
Claire. Woo! Garlic butter rice. These are the 3 words that I love. So it can be not delicious, right? Let's give it a try. Let's open it. 와, 버터 향이 어마무시하게 나네요. 맛있겠다. 약간 이렇게 누른 부분이 있는 게 더 맛있어 보이네. 맛있겠다. It smells like heaven. Cheers. 맛있다, 맛있다. 맛있어. 짭조름하면서 버터의 향이 한가득인데다가 거기에 마늘 향까지 샥 입혀지니까 진짜 입에 싹 넣는 순간 향긋하니 너무너무 맛있어. 그리고 밥의 텍스처도 너무너무 좋은 게 어떤 부분은 이렇게 플러피한 그 흩날리는 그런 텍스처를 딱 간직하고 있는데 그 중간중간에 약간 이렇게 누른 밥의 그 키포인트야. 너무 맛있어. 약간 바삭거리는 그런 식감을 줘가지고 재밌어. 계속 먹게 되네. 난 먹는 순간 어떤 음식이랑도 잘 어울릴 것 같다라는 그런 생각이 드네. 막 수많은 음식들이 내 머릿속을 막 스쳐 지나가는 것 같은 그런 느낌? 몽골리안 비프, 캐슈 치킨, 뭐 있을까 또? 막 이것저것 다 아무거나 내가 좋아하는 메인 디쉬랑 같이 딱 먹으면 너무너무 맛있을 것 같아. 너무 심심하지 않게 약간 좀 짭조름하게 돼가지고 심지어 무슨 다른 게 없어도 이것만 먹어도 너무 맛있는 그런 느낌? 그런 느낌이야. 영! 너무 맛있다, 훈아. 냄새도 너무 향긋하니 좋지 않아? 그치? 그치? 네가 생각해도 그래? In Korea, people usually just eat plain rice with bunch of other dishes. But if you think that it's too boring or plain, I think this is gonna be a great option for you. It's buttery, salty, and fragrant. It will go well with almost anything. So please give it a try. I'm sure you absolutely love this dish. As a pro tip, you can also enjoy this dish with some dried seaweed. 밥을 살짝 넣고 살짝 이렇게 접어서 Cheers! All in one bite! 맛있다. 김에 그 바삭바삭한 식감까지 추가돼가지고 더 맛있어. 조금 더 복합적인 맛. 맛있다. 영!
Today, I showed you how to make garlic butter rice, one of the easiest and most delicious side dishes of all time. This guy works perfectly as a side dish to take your other foods to the next level. But honestly, it's delicious enough to enjoy on its own. So even when you don't have the energy to cook something to pair with this, don't worry about it. Just enjoy this bad boy on its own. Yes, it's that delicious. Also, it's freezer friendly, so make it in advance and just enjoy it whenever you want. Trust me, this is gonna be your favorite freezer staple. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.